Welcome to our Coffee Time webinar on Omnichannel, where we'll be looking at why it's so important and what factors are critical to its success. So okay Richard, let's look at first at what exactly people mean by the term Omnichannel and why it's so important, just to clear up any misperception about Omnichannel and multi-channel.
Okay, in a nutshell, multi-channel is selling through lots of discrete channels, from bricks and mortar stores to mobile apps, while omni-channel is what makes multi-channel a real deliverable.
So how is that?
Well, because it's all about the holistic view across all channels.
So retailers have the transparency to be able to satisfy orders through all channels?
Yes, but also so customers have a consistent, seamless experience wherever they shop with them.
Okay, I think that's pretty clear. Omnichannel is all about a single view across all sales channels. And I think you're saying the key benefit for customers is that they have a consistent, seamless, satisfactory shopping experience.
Yes, the same look and feel, the same functionality, the same offers and same services in terms of buying, delivering, returning wherever they shop, plus mix and match flexibility.
Oh, how would you mean?
Well, there are lots of examples, but a common one would be the ability to buy through one channel and collect or return through another.
Oh, that's right. I mean, there's nothing as frustrating as buying something online and finding you can only return it that way when you're actually going into town and could pop in to the store while you're there.
Yes, but it's also the ability to switch between channels and devices while shopping.
Oh, in what way?
Well, you might start a shopping expedition at your PC online with a bit of product research on a particular retail site, then go out and take a look at in the store, do a bit of a showrooming, then go back home to actually place the order online.
So, well, that sounds fine. What's the problem in that?
Well, yes, but you might then find you run out of time or get interrupted partway through the order and want to complete it from your mobile phone later.
Yeah, I see. I suppose that scenario happens quite a bit, so you really do need consistency across all sales channels to be able to do that.
Yeah, that's it. It's called having a persistent cart or shopping trolley, the ability to add items to your basket on one device and check out on another. I think some systems might even ping a message to your mobile to remind you that you have a partially completed order to complete.
Well, that sounds like a great marketing ploy.
Yeah, it's very clever, I think. It could certainly help to minimise lost sales in this type of situation.
So, okay, the key benefit for shoppers is a consistent and flexible shopping experience across all sales channels and devices, including the same buying and returning options. So, what do retailers need if their omnichannel offering is to succeed?
I think first and foremost, they need business-wide transparency across all operations.
What, so you mean they can see all stock and sales?
Yeah, but it's more than that.
In what way?
They need full visibility of stock in each location, what orders have been placed through every channel and what deliveries are expected, where and when.
Okay.
They need to be able to interrogate all this information and combine it with sophisticated demand forecasting to actually prioritise and fulfil existing orders in the most efficient manner and replenish stocks ready for the new orders.
So that will all need to be in real time, available on demand, and not yesterday's figures delivered today.
Yeah, that's it. And that's even more important now with the prospect of same-day delivery or same-day click and collect becoming not just a nice-to-have but a must-have.
Well, that's a big ask. And importantly, it all has to be done at a cost which is economical for the business.
Absolutely.
So, business-wide transparency is essential if retailers are to succeed with omnichannel.
Yeah, and the need for real-time data.
So, what else do you reckon is vital to success?
I think that has to be streamlined and rigorous operations and fulfilment procedures.
Well, so you can move stock to different locations to satisfy orders?
Yes, but efficiently and cost effectively, or all your profits will be gobbled up.
And of course, flexibility is key because the situation is so fluid and changes all the time.
Yeah, of course. And there are staffing levels and patterns to consider if you're going to offer a 24-hour service 7 days a week, 52 weeks of the year.
And also the delivery mechanism has to be better and more flexible. For example, transport options.
Yeah, There's a lot of things which need to be considered, but to sum it up, effective omnichannel needs streamlined, rigorous and flexible operations and fulfilment procedures.
Okay, to quickly recap then, what we've learned today about omnichannel retailing. Firstly, omnichannel is a holistic view or approach which makes successful multi-channel retailing viable.
Yeah, and secondly, the key benefits for shoppers is better shopping experience, consistent, seamless and flexibility across all channels.
And next, for retailers, this means having company-wide transparency.
Yeah, and real-time data, that's the fourth one.
And together with rigorous and flexible operations and fulfillment procedures, that makes the 5 key facts.
And with that, I guess the coffee cups will now be empty. People need to get back to work. So thanks all of you out there for tuning in. I hope you found this of interest. So please look out for our next Coffee Time webinar. And if you have any questions, just get back to us using the contact details which will appear on your screen any minute now.
Thank you and goodbye.
Thank you.